Hello friends, this is Sahiti here. Today we are going to discuss about some important GK questions. The United Nations declared 2012 as the International Year of Answer is Cooperatives. Which gland is both exo and endocrine gland? Answer is pancreas. By whom was the Constitution of India adopted? Answer is Constituent Assembly. The maximum amount of energy in the present day world is provided by answer is coal. In ancient India, Nalanda University was a great center for the study of which religion? Answer is Mahayana Buddhism. The first law of thermodynamics is concerned with the conservation of answer is energy. Which state produces maximum soya bean? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. When did the UN declare World Water Day? Answer is March 22nd. Which country is rich in oil? Answer is Indonesia. The first Muslim invasion of India led by Muhammad bin Qasim. The vessel leading blood into Bowman's capsule is known as answer is afferent arteriole. When was the Constituent Assembly for Undivided India first met? Answer is 9th December 1946. Which are macronutrients provided by inorganic fertilizers? Answer is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Which is the proper order of seismic waves as they received at seismograph station? Answer is P wave, S wave, L wave. The Arab conquest of Sindh took place in which year? Answer is 712 AD. The United Nations declared 4th week of September as answer is Peace Week. What percentage of countries' demand for natural rubber is met by indigenous production? Answer is 97%. Which causes the disease syphilis? Answer is bacteria. Which right conferred by the Constitution of India is also available to non-citizens? Answer is freedom to speech. What is the relative permeability of a paramagnetic material? Answer is greater than unity. The United Nations declared 2008 as which international year? Answer is planet Earth. On which thing erosion of soil by a river mainly depends? Answer is its speed at which it flows. What was the main basis of social organization in India during the early medieval period? Answer is caste. Which country stood second in the 1992 Barcelona Olympics medal tally? Answer is US. Where is the National Institute of Nutrition located? Answer is Hyderabad. Which is a human right as well as fundamental right under the Constitution of India? Answer is right to education. What is the average salt content in a liter of sea water? Answer is 35 grams. Why is Sher Shah is well known for his administrative skill? Answer is land revenue system. In which Tyndall effect is not observed? Answer is sugar solution. Which can be used for checking inflation temporarily? Answer is decrease in money supply. Dhyan Chand's name is associated with which game? Answer is badminton. Which are the Horn of Africa? Answer is Ethiopia, Djibouti, Somalia. The Sara-e-Azam, which ran from the Indus to Sonargaon in Bangladesh, built by Sher Shah. The nuclease enzyme which begin its attack from free end of polynucleotide is exonuclease. After how many years one third of the members of the Rajya Sabha retire? Answer is second year. A soap bubble is given negative charge, then what happens in its radius? Answer is increases. Israel has common borders with which countries? Answer is Lebanon, Syria, Turkey and Jordan. The Upanishads were translated into Persian by the order of which ruler? Answer is Dara Shikoh. Which European country has over 200 volcanoes, many of them still active? Answer is Ireland. The medieval ruler who was the first to establish a Ministry of Agriculture was? Answer is Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe.